Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Home Assistant configuration to Google Drive. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Home Assistant configuration to Google Drive, start by logging into your Home Assistant instance. Open the Home Assistant web interface. Navigate to the Supervisor tab in the sidebar. Next, select the add-on store. Search for the Google Drive Backup add-on in the store. Click on the Google Drive Backup add-on to open its page. Press the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click on Configuration. In the Configuration window, set your Google Drive folder name if desired. Adjust any other settings according to your preference. Save the configuration changes. Now, return to the add-on's main page. Press the Start button to run the add-on. You will need to set up authentication with Google Drive. Click on the Open Web UI button to initiate the authentication process. A new tab will open, prompting you to log into your Google account. Follow the prompts to allow Home Assistant to access your Google Drive. After authorization, copy the provided token back to the Home Assistant configuration. Paste the token into the appropriate field in the configuration. Save your changes and restart the Google Drive Backup add-on. Check the logs to ensure that the add-on has started without any issues. You can now manually trigger a backup by clicking on the Create Backup option. To schedule automatic backups, you can add a cron job in the configuration. Once set, your Home Assistant configuration will be backed up regularly to Google Drive. Always verify your backups by navigating to your Google Drive. You should see the backup files appear in the designated folder. With your setup complete, you can rest assured that your configuration is safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.